Introducing Master Multi-Simulation Beauty Effects in Houdini, a complete step-by-step course to create a cinematic makeup brush collision from scratch. Designed for intermediate to advanced artists, this training shows how to blend multiple simulations into one stunning production-ready shot. We'll start with vellum hair simulation for realistic bristles, then up-res the sim for extra detail. A particle-driven smoke simulation sets the base, followed by a main powder explosion that brings the scene to life. 2 RBD simulations add realism, 1 semi-guided setup using SOP solver attributes for precise debris control, and another to drop subtle pieces at the start of the animation. You'll also learn how to optimize and organize your scene for speed, render complex powders with Redshift proxies, and craft a beauty-grade look through lighting, materials, and camera work. Finally, we'll pull it all together with color grading and compositing in After Effects. Every step is explained in detail, with project files included, so you can follow along and build your own high-end product shot. Get lifetime access to the full course and start creating your own cinematic beauty effects. Also available inside Art Labs, link in the description.